Alright guys, so what I've got here is the Ceika big brake kit. I ordered this for Black Friday, just a few days before Black Friday this year. It arrived today, so it took about 3 weeks or so from payment to delivery, which isn't bad considering it came from Taiwan. So far it looks pretty good. I removed all these straps, they all held up. The shipping, believe it or not, was overnight. They shipped this last night and it arrived late this afternoon. All the boxes look like they're in pretty decent shape. I haven't opened them yet, so let's see what we've got in here. Hopefully it's what I ordered, right? Got some lines here. Nice braided. We've got a poly coating. Banjo fittings look good. Not too shabby. Assuming this is going to be a rotor. So I'm going to be using these inside of 18-inch wheels. So I went with the 380 mil rotor. It's going to be going on to a 2017 M4 comp. That is heavy. But it's got a lot more weight to it than the stock one, I'll tell you that. I'm going to leave it in the plastic here. I'm going to wash these with soap and water tomorrow night and start with the installation. I'll be doing another video then. I actually didn't order brake pads from Ceika. I'll talk more about the brake pads that I'm using when I do the install video. Assume these are going to be caliper adapters. Yes, they are. Looks good. A little bit of thread lock. Not sure if I'll be using that. Here are the rear calipers. So I got the rear 6-pot large calipers. I did the stainless steel piston upgrade. Hopefully that's on there. Weird. So they actually have brake pads in here. I did not pay for brake pads, but yeah, probably gonna put those in the trash. Yeah, these are actually a lot lighter than I thought they would be for a 6-piston caliper. Doesn't have a lot of weight to it. Street pads. Yeah. No thanks. So it looks like if you are buying... Alright. Camera stopped there. So I had opened these boxes thinking that it was recording, and then looked up and it wasn't. So again, front lines are freighted with the liner, banjo fittings, everything looks pretty decent. I went with the 380 mil in the front as well. These are a little bit thicker. They are a 36 mil. Otherwise identical to the rears. I went with the light blue anodized and red paint. Figure that one out. And now front calipers. These are the 8-pot large, and they are large and quite a bit heavier than the 6-pot large. Yeah, it's one hell of an upgrade from the stock M4 brakes, which you'll see when I do the install. These pads, again, you'll want to make sure that they have the tabs at the top. I can't remember which model of pads, but one, either the front or rear, they make it with or without that tab. And on both sets, you'll want to make sure that you've got that tab for the spring retention. Yeah, everything looks pretty good here. I'm excited to do this install, get these suckers on, test everything out. I did get the stainless pistons, so cool. And free street pads again. So if anybody needs some street pads for a Ceika kit, hit me up. Doubtful, right? And the adapters again, thread locker, bolts, all the hardware. So yeah, I'm really excited to get these on, and stay tuned for that video soon.